We are pleased to show you the 2021 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, fog lights, trip computer, compass, clock, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.